In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add voice recording in CapCut PC. If you need to record a clean voiceover commentary directly over your video while it plays back, this is one of the easiest ways to do it inside CapCut on a computer. The process is quick, built right into the editor, and very useful when you want to explain something on screen, add narration, or guide viewers through your footage without leaving the app. To begin, bring up the recording panel. Move your mouse down to the timeline toolbar, which is the row sitting just above your editing tracks. In that toolbar, look for the small microphone icon and click it once. As soon as you do that, CapCut opens a dedicated voiceover recording panel on the right side of the workspace. This is where you'll control the main recording settings before you start speaking. Before recording, it's a good idea to make sure your audio path is set up properly so your voice comes through clearly. In the recording configuration window, click the Input Device drop-down menu and choose the microphone you want to use. This could be your computer's built-in mic or an external microphone if you have one connected. Selecting the correct input is important, especially if your computer detects more than one audio device. Next, turn on the settings that help keep your recording clean. Check the box for echo reduction to reduce unwanted room noise and make your voice sound clearer. Also make sure Mute Project is checked. This matters because it prevents the sound from your timeline from playing back through your speakers and being picked up again by your microphone during recording. That helps avoid bleed and keeps your voiceover much easier to edit later. Once everything is ready, you can start recording. Click the large red record button in the panel. CapCut gives you a 3-second countdown, which gives you a moment to get ready and prepare your first line. When the countdown reaches 0, start speaking. As you record, CapCut automatically creates a new blue audio clip on the timeline beneath your video track, keeping it aligned with your footage as you go. That makes it easy to narrate in sync with what's happening on screen. When you finish your voiceover, click the red record button again to stop. You can also press the spacebar if that's more convenient while you're working. And that's it. You've opened the microphone tool, selected your hardware input, enabled echo reduction, muted the project audio, and recorded a live voiceover track directly into your timeline. You're all set.